Nijigen Valley, so I'm just walking around and then maybe stopping by at Rina, Yuki, and also Angie's booth to get some of their cosplay print. Otherwise, I am just browsing through, see what's there in the event and also the stage performance and everything. So mostly not much of a vlog, but or videos of what is happening during the event and everything. I've done Yuki, I've done Angie, and I've done Rina. So that's all the shopping I'm doing. Now I am just moving around, checking out stuff and everything. Also, this vlog I will combine both day 1 and day 2. I hope you enjoyed because it's more or less crammed in one place, in one convention center. One side is for the cosplay or the exhibitor stuff, and then the other one is on the Dojin alley. So
cosplayer and anime content creator as well. Nice to meet you guys.
Okay, so day 1 is settled. So let's just go to day 2. Okay, so this is day 2, and yeah, basically just meet up some cosplayers, and then later at 4 it is Stella's performance, and then 4:30 is who Sabah's on stage. So yeah, those I will be checking out, and then yeah, again walking around covering more of the event and everything. So yeah, let's go.
A few inches later.
Cosplay area is a lot more people, so I am going to the Dojin area first. Yeah. Also, I noticed that yesterday's day 1 vlog, I didn't talk much, so maybe for day 2, I will talk a little bit more. And yeah, okay. So Sama is not here yet. She is there. It's sometimes the gimbals. So yeah. So now I am going for the Nijigen area. I'm not sure what's on stage right now, but yeah, I'll meet you at the Dojin area. Dojin area is a bit hot, but a lot of people. And then I've bought some, which is this one. Sorry. So yeah, I bought 3 art print postcard. It's 18 ringgit. This one is from You Diaries. It's because the art is quite nice. And then yeah, overall I've done the Dojin area already. It's a bit hot. There are some caught my eyes. So yeah, basically it's a lot of people, and yeah, it is Sunday, so letting people go through first. But more or less, some of the one I'm familiar with, I already know most of their arts and everything. There are some new arts that I've found, but as of now, I'm just buying this one. So yeah. I'm done with Rina. Got a checky offer with her. So yeah. Each. Okay. So yeah, basically I'm done with Rina, and then I'm going for lunch for a bit and then come back. Yeah. Finally done with NG for checking. Now it is almost 4, so I am going to the stage area. Perfect. I am going to the stage area for the last performance, and then Guru Sama at 4:30. So I'm trying to go straight to the front. So yeah.
I hope you guys can cheer me up a little bit. Just now you guys just try with me, right? When I say Kira Kira, you say Stella. Okay? Kira Kira. Stella. Kira Kira. Stella. Kira Kira. Stella. Thank you.
That's all for today and this event. Done with the performance and everything. Also, I went to Misu just now and got a checky. I think that is all. So if you enjoyed the vlog, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to my channel, and until the next time, bye.